Good morning, dear children. So last class we have started the lesson 22nd, articles a and the. The previous class we learned what is the meaning of a and an, and how and where we have to use these two. So we have learned before the consonants we have to use and when the word begins with vowels we have to use an. Okay, remember it. So when next word begins with consonant sound or consonant letter, we have to use a, and if a word begins with vowel sound, we have to use an before it. So but both have the same meaning, one, singular, only one. Meaning is only one, singular. And today we are going to learn the. We are going to see the. The means it is a definite article. That is definite article. A and an, that is indefinite article, and the is a definite article, which means when we speak about a particularly, definitely we say something, so it means the definite article. So see here we are going to see the. A or an are used when we mean by any person. So that's not a definite any person. We can use any person or any animal or thing. A and an. But when we use the is used when we mean a particular person or animal or thing. Particularly when we speak about the person or animal or the thing, we use the. But whereas a and an, that is not a definite one. Any person, any animal, anything we can speak about, right? So give me, see this sentence, give me a pencil, a pencil, one pencil. There is any pencil, you can get any pencil. There is a short pencil, long pencil, or any company pencil, you can get it. That's called any pencil, give me a pencil. And when we see here, give me the pencil, the means give me, you are pointing out a particular pencil, give me that pencil, give me the pencil. Only one pencil, I need that pencil. Particularly you are saying a pencil. That's what you say, a particular person, particular pencil. See here, I have a bag. The bag is, I have a bag. It's a common, okay? The bag is full of coin. The bag is, so we say particularly that bag, the bag is full of coin, particularly one bag. So it's called definite article, right? So here we are not talking about any bag, but the bag which is filled with coin. We are speaking about the bag which is filled with coin, not any bag. Clear? So here we use the with superlatives. Rich is the richest boy in the world because I am the tallest girl in the world in my class. Because we are comparing. She is the only one. She is only one, the richest boy in the world. So that boy, only one boy. We are speaking particular boy. See here, I am the tallest girl in my class. When we see in the complete class, I am the tallest one. I am the tallest one. That's why they say here, I am the tallest girl in the class. Right? And see here, where we have to use the. They have certain rules and regulations for using the. Here, before the particular names of a river, particular name of a river or oceans, mountains, we use the. For example, the Ganga and the Everest. Ganga, the Everest. We use particular river name. So when we speak about particular river name, we use the. And the next one, before the heavenly bodies. Before the heavenly bodies. That is the moon. Heavenly bodies. The moon, the sun, the stars, the sky, the earth, the world. We have only one. We speak about only one particularly. So that before that names we use the. Right? And before the names of holy books, all the holy books, whenever we speak about any holy book, we use the. Here, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible. So whatever we have holy books, before that we have to use the. Right? The last one, before the names of newspapers. the Times of India, the Hindu. We have plenty of newspapers in the world. Whenever we speak about any newspaper's name, we have to use the, right? So now let's see the next exercise. By using all these, we are going to fill the remaining. So here we continue. The stars. So insert the in the sentences. We are going to use the in the following sentences. Stars shine in sky. So where we have to insert the in the sky. Stars shine in the sky. Clear? And I am shortest boy in the school. I'm the shortest boy in the school. Right? So he is the one shortest boy in that, comparing with in that classroom or in the school. Clear? Everest is in the Nepal. As we have seen, a particular place, before a particular place we have to use the. Clear? And Brahmaputra flows into Bay of the Bengal. We are speaking again a particular place, Bengal. And the last one, father reads a newspaper, right? Statesman. Again, he is reading something. So particularly he is reading that novel. So we say the particular person, the, we use it. Clear? And the next one, see here, we use the when we speak of a person, animal or thing which has been spoken of already. See, this is, we are going to see the next exercise. Next exercise, we are going to see this. So, we use the when we speak of a person or animal of thing which has been spoken of already. So, if you are going to write a complete paragraph, if you are speaking about any person's name, first time you can use it, and next time no need of using the person's name, simply you can say the, because when we say the, it means that the but indicates the particular person or the animal or the thing. Clear? We don't need to repeat it again and again, the same person's name. Clear? So that's what they say here. I have found a silver coin. The coin is round and shiny. See here, I have found a silver coin. The coin, because here we don't need to repeat again silver coin. Silver coin is round and shiny. We don't need to repeat it. Simply we can write the coin. The indicates the silver coin now. So like this we are going to do some exercises. See here. Exercise 5. Use a, an or the. So we are going to use 3. Any one of these 3. Read the first one. Dash frog once met dash goldfish, and dash frog said to dash goldfish that she was very pretty. So here we have 2 sentences, 2 complete sentences we have. First we have to see what? Frog, singular person, singular. So we say a frog once met, and again goldfish also one, singular, and also here this is a consonant sound, here also consonant sound. If here it begins with this vowel sound, we must use an, but here we have a consonant sound, so that we use a. And again here we have G, consonant sound, G, so we use a. And here again, so what we supposed to do? We spoke already the frog, we used the name already. Now we don't need to use here, simply we can use the frog. The frog means it shows directly this frog. Okay? And frog said to the, again this goldfish that she was very pretty. So like this only we have to form a sentence. Once if you use the name, first time we can use a person's name or any names, but second time we don't need to repeat the name, instead we can use the. Clear? I met dash old man. See here we have vowel sound, O, old man, A-E-I-O-U, so that we use an old man. Again this also indicates only one single person, only one old man. Okay? An old man. The old man asked me my name. Clear? And the next one, again, here we have a elephant vowel name. So what we supposed to use? An elephant passes this way. Again, what we supposed to do? The elephant. In that elephant is from a circus. Clear? And the fourth one, I watched, again here we have a consonant. I watched a street juggler. The juggler was performing dangerous stunts. Okay? And next one, here is dash 100 rupees note. Here 100 rupee note, only one note is there. Clear? Take the note and go to the market. So when we use once the name, we have to use next time the. So it shows particularly, indicates particular article, I mean definite article. The is called definite article. Okay. So next one, the same way we are going to use the exercise 6 also. Use a, an or the to fill in the blanks. Same what we used the previous one. We lost a ball which we were playing. Okay? Because here consonant sound. God is dash a precious, gold is a dash metal. Gold is a precious metal. And the sun, see here, the sun shines by day and the moon by night. Okay? And next one, she has brought dash an eagle to the school. Okay? To the school. Dash, the Taj Mahal is a most beautiful building in the world. In the world, because only one world, because we have only one Taj Mahal in the world, right? And the next one, I read dash the Quran every day while my neighbors read the Bible. My neighbors read the Bible. So before holy books we have to use the, that we have seen already. Fine. I must go to the doctor, particular doctor. I have a earache. I have a earache because we are going to see that who can see the ear pain. Particular doctor we are going to meet. Clear? India is dash home of the Royal Bengal tiger. India is a home of the particular particular Royal Bengal tigers. And the next one, Harry Potter had dash and vowel named Hedwig. The vowel, we are just indicating once again the same thing. Vowel was a loyal pet to him. Okay. Next one, I will meet you in see here, dear children, we have to see here H O U R, our. So here H is silent. So since H is silent, we begin with a vowel sound. So we say an, R, within R, I will bring a friend with me. The friend is European, okay? So here it's not a vowel sound, we have a Y sound, okay? European, we have seen already. Fine? So next one, so have a fun, write and, a and the following balloons and color them. So here, simple, this you have to memorize it, dear children. This you have to memorize it. I am used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound, that is called a. We are going to use a for the I am used before singular numbers beginning with a consonant sound. So before beginning with the consonant sound, what we are supposed to use? We have to use a. And the next one, we have to use an. And for I am used before singular numbers beginning with the vowel sound. So before beginning with the vowel sound, what we have to use? We have to use an. Right? And the I am used before the particular object, reverse particular object. Okay, remember, particular object, reverse oceans, mountains, holy books, newspapers, periodics, and superlative degrees and of adjectives. So in all these places we have to use the definite. So when you learn this, please learn definite articles properly. A and the, whatever we have seen the last 3 paragraph, memorize it properly, accordingly use it. So when you use it, you will get a proper answer. So please get ready with the so please practice all these things for your examination. A and the. So it is very important for your examination. Thank you.